The ice blue edition Rage rope is out now. Apart from the fact that it looks beautiful in the sunlight, we have of course got the limitless adjustability mechanism. You can adjust your rope to whatever length you want in seconds, just like that. That smooth rotation mechanism that just goes on and on. It's okay to have fun, but rule number one, always wear protection. Now if you're like me, sometimes you want to train outdoors. You don't want to be cooped up in a gym, especially if the weather is this gorgeous. But I hear you, there's a problem. Outdoor surfaces are often rough and not too kind on our ropes. After using your rope outdoors, you might end up looking like this. And we don't want that. So we have rope guards now to protect the rope so you can train carefree. You can go as mad as you like. The rope guard is here to protect the day. So you can use your rope outdoors on the roughest surfaces. And rest assured, as fast or as hard as you go, your rope will be protected. And the rope guard will take all the punishment. So now when you order your Rage rope, you will get a rope guard along with it, absolutely free, in one of these cute little bags. Oh my god, so cute. Because always wear protection. Ha ha ha. And that way you won't have to worry about getting a brand new rope every couple of weeks. And you can train to your heart's content and go crazy. So make sure you've got your rubbers. Oh, also, free delivery this bank holiday weekend, worldwide. Anywhere in the world. You can get it. Although the free delivery has to end on Monday, otherwise I'm gonna rack up quite a bill. So I'd encourage you to move quickly. Tell you what, I wish I had something like this a few years ago when I first picked up a rope and started learning. That shit would have saved me a lot of money. And I wouldn't have had to buy a new rope every few weeks. It's about to change the game. For a lot of people, super happy with this. Really excited to see what this does for your game.